Hi, I'm Meenu Verma, Chic India Mrs. 2018, and I'm here today as a jury for Be Bold Women. And I heard it is a very good platform which they are giving to the housewife, right? And I think उनको बहुत ही अच्छा एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है जहाँ पे वो अपने टैलेंट को दिखा सकती हैं.
मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि चैताली जी एक नेटवर्क भी रन करती हैं एंटरप्रेन्योर्स वुमेन का, काफ़ी इंकरेजिंग एग्जीबिशन ऑर्गेनाइज करती हैं, उसके बारे में बताइए क्या कहना चाहेंगे.
चैताली जो है, मैं इनसे पिछले 1 साल से जुड़ी हूँ. मैं भी एक इवेंट में मिली थी और वो जिस तरह से वुमेंस को, जो एंटरप्रेन्योर वुमेंस हैं, उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही हैं. जो घर से काम करते हैं या जो न्यूली इस फील्ड में आए हुए हैं, तो वो उनके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म देती हैं जहाँ पे हर एक वुमेन जो इनकी मीट्स होती हैं, एवरी मंथ जो मीट होती हैं, उसमें अपने प्रोडक्ट को दिखाने का और उसमें और लाइक नेटवर्क मीटिंग जो होती है, दिस इज़ वेरी गुड.
तो मीनू जी, आप कैसे सपोर्ट करना चाहती हैं आगे उनके इनिशिएटिव को, और सपोर्ट करने के लिए?
मैं बोलूँगी कि अगर है ना वो यहाँ पे जो आज जैसे है वी के साथ जुड़ें और लोगों के साथ जुड़ें जो अगर उनमें कुछ टैलेंट है तो वो आगे आएँ, और जितना ज़्यादा वो अपने आप अपना कॉन्फिडेंस को दिखाएंगी उतना ज़्यादा वो आगे बढ़ेंगी. एज अ हाउस वाइफ हम ये सोचते हैं कि हमें कुछ नहीं आता है, बट मुझे पता है कि जो हाउस वाइफ हैं दे आर रियली टू गुड. जो बाकी वुमेंस हैं वो उनसे पीछे नहीं हैं, वो भी सबसे आगे हैं उनकी.
And lastly, what's going on professional front about your projects and something you want to do?
आई एम अ वुमन एंटरप्रेन्योर टू, एंड जिसकी वजह से मैं चैताली से जुड़ी हूँ, जहाँ पे आई एम अ इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर एंड आई डू अ होम डेकोर थिंग्स. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Amrita Mishra. She is the founder of Be Bold Women. She is doing a wonderful work. बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है उनका. वो करती है कि जो हाउसवाइफ्स है घर पे, she brings them out और उनको प्रोत्साहित करती है. उनके बहुत सारे टैलेंट्स हैं, उनके टैलेंट को शो करने के लिए, और उनको प्रोत्साहित करती है कि वो आगे कुछ करें. और वी जो है वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एनक्लेव, हम लोग बी बोल्ड वुमेन के साथ एसोसिएटेड है. हम लोग उनको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं इस इनिशिएटिव के लिए.
So in what way you're supporting them?
So, like for example, for today's event, we have, there are a lot of women who will be coming today. So we will be tomorrow. We will be talking to them. We will try to engage them. We will see we can give some projects to them so that they can work out.
And what's the vision for the network you have?
About we? See, we Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, it's a platform which helps and promote women entrepreneurs, and we are around 2,500 plus in 6 cities in India. So our vision is basically to help each and every woman wherever they are, whatever problems they are facing, whatever challenges they are facing, we make them so that we can ease them out. We work together, we help each other and grow together. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Very good evening to each and everyone present in this event. And myself, Dhanu Suryam Thakur. I'm working as an actor. I've done 24 TV serials and few Bollywood movies, and still some of the projects are going on right now. And feeling very excited to be here. And it's a great moment for me to be here today. And it's a great thing for me that Amrita ji called me today, and I'm feeling so excited. Let's see how it goes. Yeah.
Both are doing excellent job. I think Chaitali is a supporting partner for Be Bold, and Amrita is, I think it's her first event if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, she has been running a WhatsApp group, and they're doing a good job promoting the youngsters on the platform. And it's always good to encourage the aspiring models and other women, and that is why we are here all to support her.
Firstly, introduction and what about the Be Bold Women Fashion Fever and about Chaitali, the Women Entrepreneurs Network?
Okay, so my name is Prachi Mhatre and I'm the founder of Glitters Pageant. So I have my own pageant and I'm here to groom the contestants. Coming on board with Be Bold Fashions and We Both is a great opportunity for me and my company as well. They are just good at their work, and they are just promoting all of us who all are on board and with association with them. So you're coming in sorry,
No, you continue, don't.
so you will edit it, okay? So coming here and getting the girls trained from teenagers or from the kids to the married women is an ultimate experience. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity that I have got with getting associated with We, and I think they're creating too many opportunities for us as married women, and I'm a kid of two, so for me to get adjusted with my things and to come here and get them trained is an ultimate opportunity and a journey towards my success.
Prachi, talking about your venture, what kind of venture is this and what kind of people you are supporting?
So I basically concentrate on the married women's because we as married women that we all have a wrong thing in mind that we have to sit at home and we just have to take care of our kids and the house and the people in there. But when I get an opportunity to give another opportunity to married women, this is what I'm planning to and this is what I've been doing. So my organization is Glitters Pageants, which are all into pageants, and we conduct contests like beauty contests, and the latest one we did was Queen of South Mumbai 2019.
So what's the vision for your enterprise?
To get all the married women dazzling around the world. So that's basically my concept. Thank you.
Be Bold Women Fashion, like we are a photography partner with them. So from day one we are doing their shoots and models, and it's a good, we are also interacting with new things in the world and we are enjoying these sessions.
Basically, what's your contribution about your venture? What kind of
Right, we do photography, we do wedding photographies, commercial shoots, and that's it.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Divya Shivdas, and I am Mrs. Maharashtra 2018, Mrs. India Universe 2019, Mrs. India Universe Graceful 2019, Mrs. West Universe 2018. Today we are meeting like Be Bold Woman. It's a fashion week where we get the like lot of fashion you can see over here. All the ladies I think are like, I have gone to the backdrop, like all are like very excited. I hope all do their best, and best of luck to everyone, and thank you for today to Amrita just calling me as a jury. I hope I'll be seeing like many more to go, like evening is yet to be started. So best of luck to everyone. Thank you.
हाय, माय नेम इज़ अमृता मिश्रा एंड आई एम फाउंडर ऑफ बी बोल्ड वुमन। और ये जो फैशन फीवर है ये मैंने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है। इसकी स्टार्टिंग जो है वो 2 अक्टूबर से स्टार्ट हुआ था, और ये इवेंट जो है मोस्टली हाउसवाइफ के लिए है। हम उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म देने जा रहे हैं जिसके ज़रिए वो अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को और अपने सेल्फ डिफेंस को बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेट करे, ताकि वो आगे कुछ करना चाहती है या अगर कभी डिप्रेशन में जाए तो अपने ये ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट्स को याद करे और आगे बढ़ते जाए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hi, my name is Pratiksha. I am part of Be Bold Women, and our intention is that कि जो कोई भी महिला है, जो कोई भी लेडीज़ लोग है, they should be encouraged to show their talents in their future, and they shouldn't be given any chance for if they have any talent, they have any ambitions, they have any motive in their life, they should be encouraged by everyone, by each and every person in future also and from the past also. So this is our main motive. So this is the team for the people, for the ladies, to groom them and to encourage them. Thank you.
Hello, hi. My name is Sujata Singh. I have been a housewife since 27 years. After being 27 years housewife, I think सिर्फ घर में काम करना ही एक चीज़ आता है और कुछ नहीं आता है. But when I started Be Bold, coming here with all these women, I started coming to know that we can, even a housewife can do all these things. So for promoting the women and wanting the women to come here and do something like this, we have started this program. I'm one of the members of the Be Bold program and wanting to see more of the programs and more of the ladies come here and join us for this Be Bold. Thank you so much.
My name is Udesh Mishra, and we have an event company named Key Event Solutions. Yes, Amrita is my wife, and she has this Be Bold Women group, which has a lot of females attached to it. And in order to boost their confidence and give women a platform, she's organizing this event, and I'm glad to support her with it.
Hi, I'm Kishan. I have my designer label, Kishan Pandya Couture. You can find my designs on Instagram. I got approached by Be Bold Women and I like the initiative. So I'm providing the outfit for the ethnic round because I like to see my designs on practical and normal women, right? Everyone does it on models and everyone, but these are like real life women, you know, trying to do something out of the mainstream box, out of being a housewife. So yeah, I got associated with them and you will be seeing my designs on them. And I wish them the best of luck and I hope you all like my designs. Yeah.
Hello everybody. I'm Prem Gada from Prisha Creations. We are making crowns for the beauty pageant, crowns and sachet. And I'm here for Be Bold Woman. Thank you Be Bold Woman, Amrita Mishra, for inviting us. We are the crown partner for them. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Pinky Rajgaria, Mrs. Asia 2017, Mrs. India Fitness 2016 and a social activist. I advocate on Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Thank you so much, Be Bold Women Fashion Fever. They have created an amazing platform for the ladies and for the kids and for all the sectors of the societies. Thank you so much.
और जज रह के आप जूरी मेंबर है तो कैसे लग रहा है कि आपको जज करने में भी?
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. मेरे पुराने दिन याद आ गए जब मैं रैंप में पहली बार गई थी.
और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे ऑडियंस को?
I wish all the very best to all the contestants. May the best one win. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. With God's grace, I have been able to live up to my name. I am very grateful to have my parents who encourage me to learn, to explore and thank you.
Hello, my name is Om. I am 7 years old. My hobby is football and I like to make friends.
I am 7 years old. Thank you.
I'm 11 years old and I'm fond of dancing. I've been learning dance from last 3 years. Thank you.
Ms. Bani Devsani and I am 11 years old. Bani is another name of Goddess Saraswati. With God's grace, I have been able to live up to my name. I am very grateful to have my parents who encourage me to learn and practice science through home experiments. I inspire to be a good human being. Thank you.
So yes, I am 7 years old. My hobby is football and I like to make friends. And tomorrow is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
see you. Good evening everybody, my name is Vanessa D'Souza. I don't believe in miracles, but only in true hard work. A person is capable of achieving what he or she dreams of by working hard every day and every minute. I get this inspiration from my parents as I see them working day and night for my future, for my good. I do wish to be like them. Lastly, I would like to end with a thought which inspires me. Elegance is not about being noticed, it's about being remembered. Thank you. Give the gift to your absence. Give the gift to your absence to those who do not appreciate your presence. Good evening everyone, I am Miss Sakshi Goswami. I love cooking, it actually is my passion and I am extremely glad to be here. People describe me that I always say yes to new adventures. Thank you. The biggest adventure you can take in your life is to live the life of your dreams. Good evening judges and the one and all present here. I am Ayushi Kendekar, contestant number 4 and I am glad to be on the stage. Thank you. Good evening to everyone present here. I am Muskan Pandey and I love traveling and exploring places. I believe in working on my flaws and mistakes because they are the building blocks of my strength. My biggest strength is my mother who inspires me a lot. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Pandey. I love dancing and it's my passion. I strive for perfection and I believe that people should not listen to others and should listen to their own self and should get inspiration from their parents. My parents are my inspiration, I love them a lot.
And to one and all present here, my name is Prisha Bakshi and like everybody has their goals in life, I am here to take my first step towards my goal, that is to become a model. Except modeling, I am into swimming and dancing. I connect myself to water a lot as it's sometimes cold referring to being mean and sometimes it just goes with the flow. I'm also a trained Kathak dancer and I've been learning Kathak for about 4 years now. And thank you all for coming here today. I hope you all have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
Oprah Winfrey once said that the biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Good evening, dear judges and the lovely audience. I'm Pooja Bakshi. My passion is dancing and music. And I believe there are mistakes, there are confusions. But you know, with the hard work, nothing can stop you and there is no turning back. Thank you. I hope you all have a lovely evening tonight. Thank you.
हेलो गुड इवनिंग मेरा नाम सुवर्णा गोसावी और मैं एक हाउस मेकर हूँ और मुझे आई हैव 3 चाइल्ड्स थैंक यू
and work hard. Good evening everyone, my name is Geeta D'Souza. I believe in being a good human being, discipline, hard work and stay fit. Thank you very much.
Good evening. I'm very happy to be in this evening, a colorful evening with beautiful people here. Because I live in colorful world. I'm a painter by profession और आप कह सकते हो वो मेरा पेशा नहीं, ज़्यादातर नशा है. I belong to city of joy and मैंने अपनी मुंबई को आमची मुंबई बना ली. I am married with 2 kids and I am multitasker. I have a catering business and I will definitely call you all and serve my food by my hands. Thank you so much presenting me here. Thank you. Goodbye. Sonali Chauhan, by the way.
love to explore new places, new cuisines, and love to explore myself. Love traveling, an expert driver, and dream of reaching Ladakh on bullet. This is me, the bold beauty of Be Bold Women Beauty Pageant. Thank you.
तलाश जिंदगी कितनी दूर तक निकल पड़े, जिंदगी मिली ही नहीं, मौके बहुत सारे मिले. Thank you all judges and good evening everyone. I like to keep a positive attitude by profession. I am makeup artist and passionate about modeling. Thank you.
हर बार गलत नहीं होता। मैं इनमें से किसी को भी सुष्मिता गुप्ता को पर्सनली जानती थी, पर प्रतीक्षा पगारे, ममता लाहौटी जी, सुजाता जी, ऑफकोर्स मेरी प्यारी चेताली जी और शोभा आर्या मैम, ये सब मुझे सोशल मीडिया पे मिले हैं, फेसबुक पे मिले हैं। जो ये लोग आज मेरे साथ खड़े हैं, ये सिर्फ मेरे मेंबर नहीं, मेरे टीम मेंबर, मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स भी है। मुंबई में बोलते हैं कि लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं होता अपने खुद के लिए, बट ये लोग मुझे जब भी ज़रूरत होती है मेरे साथ हमेशा खड़े रहते हैं। तो थैंक यू सो मच आप सभी का मेरे यहाँ साथ देने के लिए, इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर लाने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you.
Nervous? A little. You have completed your schooling?
No, I'm in 8th standard.
I'm a little bit jealous of your height. What is better, childhood or teen?
Well, I guess that childhood is better, as in teenage you have a lot of stress with a lot of changes in your body, and the stress with studies, and the stress of parents, friends, teachers and all. So, but in childhood you can enjoy yourself a lot, and you're very free, and you don't have that much pressure as you have in teen. So I guess that childhood is better than teenage.
26 years हो चुके हैं, उसके बाद घर से बाहर निकलना or something like this. For me also it was a very big thing. I couldn't dream for it, but made it possible to do this and wanting to go much more ahead for this. Thank you so much.
मैं अमृता को around 4 years से जानती हूँ और उसी की वजह से आज मैं इधर हूँ इन लोग के साथ.
So what do you feel like working with the pledges?
Really something different for me.
The time you guys work together, is she nice to you and she's aggressive the time you work? Like, can you tell us some gossy topics?
Excuse me. She's not actually aggressive, but yes, she's like very friendly and very kind-hearted person. And उसके दिमाग में जो कुछ भी है वो हर वक्त नया कुछ रहता है, which we don't imagine that we used to do in our college days and in our teenagers. So I feel that Amrita is again making us a girl, which I feel.
Wow.
Thank you, Amrita. Thanks a lot.
This is really nice statement because ये रहना चाहिए, ये जो आप लोग साथ ही साथ एक वर्क भी करते हो, एक टाइम स्पेंड करते हो और एक जो बॉन्डिंग होता है, that is the next level. You wanted to share it but you won't be able to express it, right? So now you Sushmita.
When you started doing this फैशन शो करना है सुष्मिता, कैसे क्या करूँ, तो मैंने सोचा कि हाँ स्टार्ट तो करना है, अगर 2 जन भी है तो 5 जन भी स्टार्ट तो करना, लेकिन हर इंस्पिरेशन लाइक एवरी टाइम सुष्मिता यू आर नॉट सीरियस अबाउट मी राइट, एवरी टाइम शी इंस्पायर्ड मी लाइक नहीं करना है, कुछ भी करना है, ये अपने लिए करना है, सबके लिए करना है, जितनी उम्र है जो बाहर नहीं निकल पाते अपने बच्चों को छोड़ के, सबके लिए करना है. इधर मतलब ये आज हो रहा है एंड आई एम स्टैंडिंग विद यू एंड आई एम गिविंग something, some speech about you. That is my pleasure and I am really proud of you, Amrita, and I think we'll do more work together. I am always with you guys. Thank you so much. I booked you for my event. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for the
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Ayushi Kelekar.
Which class are you?
I'm in 11th.
11th. Oh, so you're done with the schooling now?
Yeah.
Good. All right. So I just wanted to know, what is the most important lesson that you have learned in your life so far?
The most important lesson that I've learned so far is hard working. Hard working is the key to everything. Like even if you're an average person towards something, hard working can get you to the top. So it's hard work.
So it's hard work or smart work?
It's actually hard work.
Seriously?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Hi. I'm in 8th grade.
What's your goal in life? What's your goal in life? What's your goal in life? Can you give an
My goal in life is to become a fashion designer because from childhood only I'm very interested in fashion designing and I love to dress myself. I love to make myself beautiful.
According to you, what is fashion design?
It is to dress up yourself. It is to make you more pretty and beautiful and to express yourself. It's not all about clothes, it's about everything like you.
Thank you.
I would like to ask you, in your life, who is more important till now? Why? And what are the negative and positive points according to you? The choices are mom or dad.
For me, the most important person in my life is my mom. She's been very supportive throughout. Before everyone comes me for her. And negative points, of course, she shouts a lot at me.
Yeah, but she shouts for a good thing, right?
Yeah, sometimes I feel she's shouting unnecessarily, but after all, she's my mom.
Thank you.
Thank you.
हर बार आते हैं, कभी कभी आते हैं, क्या सपने आते हैं? अच्छे बुरे, अच्छे क्या सपने आते हैं? कुछ याद, मैं हीरोइन बन गई, या मैं गैलेक्सी में चली गई, या मैं फर्स्ट आ गई, क्या सपने आते हैं? गैलेक्सी में, ओ वाह, क्या सपना आया था? नहीं पता, भूल गए। उठ, जब वो सोए थे तब आते हैं, उठ जाते तो चले जाते हैं, ऐसा थोड़ी रहता है। सपने से हम लोग आँख बंद करके देखते हैं या खुली रख के भी देखते हैं? खुले रख के भी। अच्छा, तो आपके आपका क्या सपना है कि आपको इन फ्यूचर क्या बनना है?
एस्ट्रोनॉट।
ओके, और उससे बन के वो क्या होता है एस्ट्रोनॉट? मुझे पता नहीं क्या होता है एस्ट्रोनॉट एक्चुअली।
स्पेस साइंटिस्ट।
अच्छा, और फिर कोई देखी मूवी अभी ऐसी?
यस।
कौन सी?
मिशन मंगल।
यस, वेरी गुड, यानी देखा है आपने। बहुत इंटरेस्ट है आपको स्पेस में, राइट?
यस।
सबसे फेवरेट आपको जो प्लैनेट लगता है वो कौन सा है?
प्लूटो।
प्लूटो, क्यों?
क्योंकि वो ब्लू है।
अच्छा, और कोई रीजन? नहीं, बस। Thank you. Feeling today?
Nervous.
You're nervous? Okay. So I would like to know. So how important is education? Do you think it is important to be successful?
Yeah, education is important, but successful होने के लिए आप में talent, skills और क्रिएटिविटी होनी चाहिए कि आप उसको राइट टाइम और राइट प्लेस पे पुट करके सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हो। एजुकेशन करनी ही चाहिए। अगर आपको थोड़ी भी आती हो, जैसे कि आप पढ़ लिख सको, वो भी बहुत है। और इतने सारे बिजनेसमैन हैं जो इतने भी वेल एजुकेटेड नहीं है, बट वो अभी इस पोजीशन पे है, मतलब उनके क्रिएटिव स्किल से, उनके टैलेंट से उन्होंने वो जो अपने राइट टाइम और राइट प्लेस पे पुट किए। एजुकेशन इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, बट टैलेंट एंड स्किल। थैंक यू।
My name is Siddhi Lahoti.
सिद्धि लाहौटी, कौन सी क्लास में हो?
Play in preschool.
प्री स्कूल, वाओ। अच्छा, ये बताइए ड्रेस किसने बनाया है? अब किसकी चॉइस है, तुम्हारी या मम्मी की?
मेरी।
तुम्हारी चॉइस है, वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस। अच्छा, तुम्हें बताओ तुम्हारा हॉबी क्या है? क्या करना अच्छा लगता है?
Dance or drawing.
डांस एंड ड्राइंग, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू। चले, मम्मा या डैडी ने कुछ ऐसे इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए थे, ये करना, वो करना, ऐसा नहीं करना, वैसा नहीं करना? कुछ तो है ना, आप स्मार्ट डॉक्टर हो शायद, इसीलिए जरूरत नहीं गिरी ऐसा? या ध्यान नहीं दिया मम्मा ने?
नहीं, ध्यान तो दिया।
तो क्या बोला था, कुछ टिप्स दिए थे?
नहीं, टिप्स तो नहीं दिया।
बिना टिप्स के आप इतना अच्छा कर रहे हो?
प्राची मैम ने बहुत हेल्प किया।
अच्छा, बट वो तो है ही, वो तो करेंगी, वो तो ना टीचर तो हेल्प करे। मम्मा डैडी लोग पीछे से बोलते रहते ना, हंसना थोड़ा, थोड़ा ऐसा चलना, ये करना, वो करना, तो नहीं। तुम्हारी मम्मा बहुत क्यूट है ना? ठीक है, आपको कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पसंद है? सोचना पड़ता है।
Science.
क्यों?
Because everything like chemistry, physics and that all have, like in chemistry we took to the labs and we do experiments, so that is
In
what
short, आपको नया जानना पसंद है?
Yes.
Right? Thank you.
been honored to me. Thank you for all the love and affection. Thank you.
आने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मैम, आपने अपने इतने बिजी टाइम में हम लोगों के लिए, स्पेशली हमारी जो हाउस वाइफ है उनके लिए टाइम निकाला, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू।
थैंक यू एंड थैंक यू टू योर सन, बिकॉज उसको लग रहा है मम्मी को ले जा रही हूँ, मैं अपनी मम्मी को नहीं ले जा रही हूँ। मेरे घर में बिल्कुल जगह नहीं आपकी मम्मी के लिए, आपके लिए जगह है, तो आप आइए मेरे साथ। और ट्विन है, वो भी गुस्से में है कि मम्मी कहाँ जा रही है, मम्मी कहीं नहीं जा रही है। So thank you, and who better than the mothers can feel, the mothers who are here. Thank you, Shobha. You like to say something here?
Well, what can I say? I know Amrita for past few years, I think 8 to 9 years. 7 years? Yeah, 7 years. And she was the one who actually started the dance kida that you call in me, yeah? She started teaching me the dance, and the song that Sushmita danced on was the first song she actually taught me. And from then we are connected. And yes, she's taken a very good initiative with her group. So hats off to her. It's the first event and everybody grows with the first step. Alright? So that is what I appreciate. And trust me, I usually don't go for most of the events which I think Simran and Chaitali all know. But I came for Amrita's event because I knew it's her first event and I wanted to support her. So I am here and I will always support you. Thank you.